Having a meal with friends and family should always be a joyous occasion. And there are certain times when we go to a restaurant and it's quite possible that the napkin will be placed like this. So how do we actually unfurl the napkin? Should we go like this and have it like a national flag? Absolutely not. Too much of a flourish, as they would say. One needs to be perhaps a little more circumspect. So the napkin is there. We would open it out and we would gently place it on our thighs and peel it back. So for demonstration purposes, I shall show you what that napkin would look like. So I've opened it. It's now sitting like this. This is the open side on my thighs. I would then peel this part back. So when I'm actually using the napkin, I would pick it up and I would go like that, dab it back onto my thigh and close it. So no greasy areas would actually touch your clothing. So I will demonstrate. So I've opened it, I place it on my thighs, it's peeled back, I've had something to eat, and I'm going to wipe my mouth. 2 fingers, the inside, dab it, put it back in, and fold it over. That would be the way I suggest that you open your napkin, place it onto your thigh, and you will look perfect. So please comment, like, share, or subscribe to our videos.